Meaning of equivalent.
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 Equivalent. The term equivalent refers to two or more things that have the same value, function, significance, or importance in a given context. It implies that these things are interchangeable and can be substituted for each other without altering the overall outcome or meaning. For example, 1 kilogram is equivalent to 2.2 pounds, meaning that these two units of measurement represent the same amount of weight. In mathematics, equivalent equations produce the same solution or result. Overall, the concept of equivalence is central to many areas of study, including science, engineering, finance, and language.